Sheng loves Taiping Zoo. Every animal's a pal. And today is super magical with adventure waiting to spark.
Taiping Zoo! Here I come!
By the elephant enclosure, Sheng spots a surprise. The biggest one blinks at him playfully, like it's sharing a super cool zoo secret. Suddenly, the ground trembles and the trees whispers secrets to the wind. Sheng feels an odd pull towards the orangutan habitat. He arrives at the orangutan habitat and sees the primates huddled around a large, sparkling stone. They look distressed, beg Sheng to save the zoo's magic. But he is nervous. Oh, no. A vision of the sparkly stone appears. It cries, "Heartstones fading. Save our zoo." Sheng is scared but determined now. He's ready to be a hero. Let's do it. Sheng's ready to save the day. The animals need him to fix the heartstone and keep the zoo's magic alive. Near the zebras, a wise old tortoise wakes up. It points Sheng to a secret path behind the lion's den. Cool. The secret path's dark and spooky, with twisty vines. Sheng bravely steps into the shadowy adventure. Shiny, wobbly stones stretch over a foggy gap. One slip, and Sheng falls into the silly mist. He's jittery but steps out. Sheng hops, skips, zooms across stones. He leaps to the final stepping stone, a look of determination on his face. "I did it," he shouts. Next, he faced a riddle guarding a shimmering waterfall. "I have cities but no houses, forests but no trees, and water but no fish. What am I?" "A map," Sheng shouts, heart racing. The waterfall splits, showing a cave. A sassy crocodile juggles shiny orbs in a cave. The orbs hold heartstone magic. The crocodile dares Sheng to match the orb colors. One slip and the zoo's magic fades. Sheng's nervous but focuses like a zoo champ. Sheng matches all shiny orbs. They zoom to him, buzzing with magic, and swirl like a hero's cape as he leaves the cave. Jittery but proud, he shines. A big tiger roars, blocking Sheng's path. It says, "Prove your courage, share your zoo love." Sheng is jittery but stares it down, ready to shine. Sheng shares with the tiger his love for orangutans giggles, zebras stripes, lions roars. The tiger, amazed with Sheng's big love, steps aside. Sheng zooms to the orangutans with the shiny orbs. He sets them around the heartstone, and magic bursts, making the zoo sparkle. Animals cheer, trees boogie, sun glows bright. Sheng saved the zoo's magic. Jittery no more. He's the coolest zoo hero ever. Sheng visits the zoo always, heart full of magic. More wild adventures await. Hooray, hero!